dialing open the Rosengrens CNAB6 combination lock. There's a window at the top of the dial. Numbers go from 1 through to 0, followed by V, X, and then there's a cross, which isn't part of the combination but for changing the combination. So to start with, we clear it by turning all the way left, all the way right, back firmly to the left, and then we're going to line the first number up with the scored mark on the dial there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the first number, all the way back firmly to the left. Then the second number, and all the way back firmly to the left. Then line up the third number. Carry on through your 6-digit numbers, making sure between each you firmly turn it all the way to the left. Last one, number 6, then turn it all the way to the left, stop again, and then turn it all the way to the right, stop. Goes past the cross and retracts the bolt so you can open the safe. And when you've finished, all you have to do is turn it all the way firmly anti-clockwise to the stop, and that locks up again. Rosengrens CNAB6.